We have a really great community of employees here that not only help you bring out the best in yourself, but they help you bring out your inner confidence. There's a lot to learn when you enter the engineering world, even after college. It's a little different. There's a lot to learn on site. They're always really great about answering questions, and through that, they don't just make you a competent engineer, but you actually gain your own confidence. I am definitely a more confident person after working with the company, a more outgoing person. I feel better just like interacting with clients and networking, and they really make you feel like you have a place in your career and you have a specific path where you can go. This is one of those companies where you can come in and you never feel like you don't have a place here and you never feel like you don't have support here. I have basically, the past 2 years spent my life learning from people who have lived their lives, who have had all of these experiences. I mean, I get advice on when I'm making big decisions. I always have like a family around me when I need them. I think just everyone here has given me a greater appreciation for things that we see every day in our lives.